What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good. All right, so in this video I'm going to be answering a question someone after posting my previous video, which should be a day ago, 2 days ago. Someone was asking me or like doubting what I shared, and the person was like, why do you actually select only boom 500, boom 500, why showing us your history? Why not show the full history of all the trades? Maybe I've selected only the one that actually worked well for me. That's exactly where the person is coming from, or what I actually the person want to say, right? So no matter what you do on, as long as you're online, because a lot of people have misled people and try to portray what they are not actually doing, or share some fake results and all that. And because of that, I won't blame anybody who is doubting whatever you see online. And I even advise, or I suggest, you doubt a lot of things online, right? So I'm not trying to prove the person wrong, or try to showcase whatever. If you have been following me, I don't showcase results. I just feel like it's not important. If I pass the information, if you want to take it, you take it. If you don't want to, leave it, right? But because of just to clear some doubts, and also to help people, understand that some of us, not everybody online are looking for a way to convince you that he or she is profitable. Not everybody online is looking for a way to take away your money, or looking for a way to scam you. Or everybody must not be scamming, in order to make money. So some people sincerely, they want to share information with you. Some people like teaching. Someone like me, I just like sharing information. I just like teaching, right? I am talking about teaching what I know, not just teaching. And I just like teaching everything. So now, if you look right here, I will go back to my history. Sorry, let me. This is today, right? On Boom 500, I trade Boom 500 a lot. Okay, so let me do something. If you check this symbol, I'm going to select all. It was on 500 before, but I'm selecting all now. Okay, and I'll go back to like 1 week ago. So you can see I've made about $500, right, last week. Now if I scroll this way, can you see all the entries, all the TP, or everything here? And as I was saying, the previous video in the previous video, when I was sharing my history, I said that you can be hitting a lot of stop losses, and you still be coming out in profit at the end of the day. You can hit more of stop losses and you are making money. So if you look right here, you can see this is not just boom 500 alone. Let me scroll up a bit. So you can see we have boom 1000 crash 1000. Let's see, this is crash 1000, 1000, 1000. You can see we had crash 500 around this zone. You can see crash 500 around here. So let's keep going, keep going, keep going. A lot of crash 500. So you see, we have crash, we have boom, okay, and most of these things are crash 1000, boom 1000, crash 1000, crash 500, boom 500. I trade boom and crash 500 very well, a lot. So you can see all these things. So you cannot just wake up one day and say, okay, you can see here you have boom 300, boom 300, 300, everything. So you can see how many stop losses I hit. Just for instance, I want you to pay close attention to what happened here. So look at this boom. Look at where boom 300 started. Please, this is the secret, guys. There's nothing else. Okay, if you look here, this is where this boom 300 started to this place. Okay, can you see I lost how many trades? I lost about 6 good trades first. 6 good trades first. Then I now hit TP on 2 consecutive trades. Okay, so if you do your calculation very well, you can see that we have 729, that's 9 plus 15. If you check that up, okay, you are going to be getting about 20. I don't know mathematics very well. Okay, so you are going to be getting about 24 or so. okay, plus 9, you are getting about 30, 33 plus 5, you are getting about, let's say, everything here is no more than 40. If I'm not mistaken, it's no more than 40. Then can you see that only this one profit here, just this particular profit here, have cleared all those stop losses? Do you see how you can actually become profitable? So you now add up this one. If you come to boom, you can see this boom 1000. I'm losing about 28 here. Now when I made money, I made 81. I made money again, I made about 120. I lost 18. I made 59. I made another 125. I lost 67, 19. You can see how everything is transparent. I'm not here to like showcased the amount of money I'm making, because I know I'm making little amount of money. I'm not actually making that big. You guys should know that I'm starting. I'm not that big, okay, when it comes to big traders or successful traders, okay. I'm just like starting. I've been here for a very long time, more than 4 years, okay, but you know, I've not traded anybody's account before. I've not managed anybody's account before. I've not registered for any funded challenge before, okay, which I'm recently trying to do, okay, but I've not done it before. So everything I'm trading is my hard-earned money. All right, my hard-earned money is what I'm trading. So you don't expect me to be showing you an account where I made 5k, 10k, 20k in 1 week or in 2 days. I think you should not be expecting me to do that. So if I'm managing people's accounts, I can do that. If I'm actually taking funded challenges, I can make up to that. But when I'm trading with my personal account, okay, please, this is the kind of uh uh uh, uh profit I'll be making. You can actually see this is kind of money I'm making: $10, $20, $60, hundred and something dollars, sometimes $200, depending on the trade setup. Okay. So, but the most important thing, let me still repeat myself, like the previous video I made, is not about you having a strategy that will never, you know, hit your stop loss. This is where we are getting it wrong. When you are looking for strategy, you shouldn't be looking for a strategy that will never hit stop loss. Maybe you are back testing it and you see, oh, you just want the strategy to be hitting your TP all the time. If you are doing that, you are stopping yourself from becoming profitable. You should even be looking for a strategy that will hit more stop loss but have higher risk reward. That if time is going to hit your TP, you are hitting it big. This is the solution. So once you have a strategy that you can actually make an entry, forget about how many times it's hitting your stop loss. Just be target what you are going to be looking at when uh, uh um trying to kind of design a strategy for yourself. You are looking for a strategy that have high risk reward, that if I am taking this trade, there are tendencies that I can actually make 1:6, 1:5, 1:10, 1:4 on this if I'm using this strategy. That means even if you hit your stop losses more, let's say times 2 3 before you even hit TP, you are still going to be profitable. Only one profit is going to cover a lot of losses. I hope I was able to convince you, not to confuse you, that you can still make money even when you hit more of stop losses. For the person who is doubting, I think I'm not actually trying to prove anything to you, because I know people will still doubt. No matter what you do online, there are people who will still not believe whatever you are saying or whatever you are showing, right? It's normal, that is 100%, and it's nice. They are part of the community, right? But what I'm trying to say, for those who actually want to learn, okay, this is actually the way to start seeing profit. You must not be looking at buying the most expensive, I keep saying it, cars or houses within a year or 2 months, anything like that. But you are looking at seeing yourself making withdrawals instead of funding. No matter the little you are making, at least every week or every month you are withdrawing from your account instead of funding account. I actually asked a question in my channel today. I was just trying to know How many persons are withdrawing? This is not part of the video, guys. It's just me sharing few things. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, the link will be in the description. You can actually join the channel where I communicate, also drop signals sometimes, and share ideas. Okay. Now I asked how many persons, when last did you even withdraw money? I wrote there, I gave option like last week, last month, last year, and never. I was shocked that a lot of votes I'm getting was saying never. Okay, never. So some people here have been trading for a very long time and have not even made even one withdrawal. They keep funding accounts. So do you enjoy doing that? So it is left for you to take decision to do the right thing and withdraw, or to keep doing the wrong thing and keep funding accounts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.